Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the HappyCow platform. In this HappyCow booking platform review, I'll share my usage experience and provide an overview of its features. HappyCow is a platform designed to assist users in finding vegan and vegetarian restaurants worldwide. Whether you adhere to a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle or simply seek plant-based options during your travels, HappyCow simplifies the process of discovering suitable restaurants, cafes, and even grocery stores in thousands of cities globally. The platform is accessible both as a website and a mobile app, enabling users to search for plant-based food options based on their current location. Refine your searches by specifying vegan, vegetarian, or veg-friendly establishments, and further narrow down results by cuisine type, price range, and specific dietary preferences, such as gluten-free options. Each listing on HappyCow provides detailed reviews, ratings, photos, and often menu insights, empowering users to make well-informed dining choices. HappyCow is particularly valuable for travelers exploring new destinations who prefer to avoid the often frustrating search for vegan-friendly spots. It eliminates the guesswork by offering user-generated reviews and recommendations from a dedicated and passionate community. Users can also save their favorite places, create personalized travel lists, and contribute their own reviews to assist fellow plant-based eaters. A key advantage of HappyCow is its extensive global coverage, establishing it as an essential resource for plant-based travelers, even in regions where vegan options might be less prevalent. While the basic search functionality is free, the premium version of the app offers additional benefits, including offline access, which is incredibly useful for travelers without consistent internet connectivity. One potential drawback is that some listings may become outdated as restaurant menus evolve over time. Additionally, the availability of listings can vary depending on the location. Major cities generally boast a plethora of options, while smaller towns may have fewer listings. Overall, HappyCow proves to be an invaluable tool for plant-based eaters seeking reliable dining options, both at home and while traveling. It streamlines meal planning, provides trustworthy recommendations, and significantly enhances the travel experience for vegans and vegetarians. If you're committed to finding excellent plant-based food during your travels, HappyCow is undoubtedly a must-have resource. Check the links in the description to explore the platform further.